Is the Senate protecting due process or quietly setting a trap for the House of Representatives? Tonight, tensions spike between two branches of government as the Senate imposes strict requirements before it even agrees to receive the Vice President's impeachment case. What's really going on behind closed doors? And is this the start of something much bigger? I'm Becky Wilcox, and this is Insight News TV. In a rare press briefing, Senate Impeachment Court spokesperson attorney Reggie Tongol defended the Senate's controversial move to demand two certifications from the House of Representatives before it can proceed with the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte. According to Tongol, these requirements are about upholding constitutional standards, not obstructing the case. These procedures are not traps, he said. They help prevent legal challenges and preserve the integrity of the process. But not everyone is convinced. Akbayan party list representative Chel Diono is sounding the alarm. He believes the Senate's second requirement, where the House must formally declare it is ready and willing to pursue the complaint, could be a trap. Why? Because such a statement might be used against the House itself, as grounds for violating the one-year bar rule under the Constitution, which limits impeachment attempts against the same official. In other words, by declaring its readiness, the House may unknowingly trigger a technical violation, and well, the whole case could collapse on a legal technicality. So the question becomes, is this really about following the law, or is it a calculated move to create a procedural dead end? The timing couldn't be more critical. As impeachment discussions heat up and political alliances shift, this move by the Senate raises deeper concerns about institutional trust and potential interference. Attorney Tongol has also warned against undermining the credibility of the Senate impeachment court itself, saying that public mistrust threatens the process. But the real battle might not just be legal, it could be political. With talk of new Senate blocs forming and veterans like Tito Soto, Ping Lacson and Mig Zubiri regrouping behind the scenes, it begs the question, are procedural roadblocks being used to counter pro-impeachment momentum, even as some key Senate players quietly prepare to move it forward? And what message does this send about checks and balances in today's Congress? As this story unfolds, one thing is clear: what looks like procedure on the surface could be a political power play underneath. I'm Becky Wilcox, and this is Insight News TV. If this analysis raised questions for you, go ahead and like this video, share it with others who care about due process, and comment below. Do you think the Senate is ensuring fairness or maybe setting a trap? Subscribe now for sharp analysis, insider reporting, and the headlines behind the headlines.